What is a gyro, aka gyro? I'd got load of messages from you asking about what was the dish in my last video, so I thought I'd re-upload it in a longer form and explain what I cooked up. A gyro is a popular Greek variant of a kebab. It's an offshoot of the Turkish doner kebab, but without the religious restrictions, so it can be made with pork. The exact origins of the gyro is somewhat unclear, but the Greek cooks adapted the spices and meat used, making the dish uniquely their own. It's typically served in a pita with tomato, onion, and a sauce like tzatziki, and in other country variants have emerged with different meat sauces and accompaniments. I've created the air fryer variant with seasoned grilled chicken and a salad medley of olives, feta, sun-dried tomatoes and pickled red onion, and of course tzatziki sauce. The Greek gyros is a true definition of the taste of the Mediterranean, where subtlety of flavour trumps spice, making it feel lighter than it is. I'm going to be exploring Greek food a little bit more in depth, so if there's any dishes that you would like me to look into, please drop me a comment and tell me what I should be making. And as per usual, I've probably mispronounced everything, but I'm sure you'll let me know anyway. And on that note, peace.